In this video, you'll learn how to schedule posts on Moltbook. This process allows you to manage your posting times efficiently, ensuring your content reaches your audience when it matters most. Begin by navigating to the OpenClaw control interface. This is typically accessed through your web browser. Once you have arrived at the OpenClaw control homepage, you should see various options and features available for managing your account. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Schedule Posts on Moltbook. This action will direct you to the scheduling interface. Here, you will find tools and settings specifically designed for arranging your posts in advance. After that, you need to click on the Send button. This initiates the process of preparing your selected post for scheduling. Ensure that your post content is ready and that you have selected the correct post before proceeding with this step. Once you click Send, a confirmation screen should appear, indicating that your post is being processed. Take a moment to review the details on this screen to ensure everything is correct. It's important to confirm this before moving on. Following this, click on the option labeled Scheduled. This will show you a list of all posts that are set to be published in the future. You can verify the timing and content of each post in this section. If you wish to customize the timing or frequency of your posts, click on the option that states, if you want a different time frequency, tell me. Here you can specify intervals such as every 2 hours or specific times like 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. This flexibility allows you to tailor your posting schedule to fit your audience's preferences. As a practical tip, be mindful of the file size of any media you include in your posts. Large files may take longer to upload, which could affect your scheduling process. Additionally, check your internet speed to ensure a smooth uploading experience. Finally, confirm that you have sufficient storage available in your account to accommodate your scheduled posts. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial